After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to get started as a beginner trader. I will cover every single step you need to follow to make a full-time income from trading. My name is Dewald, and 2 years ago I resigned from my 9-to-5 working for myself as a full-time day trader. I truly believe that you can do what I did. So watch this video till the very end to not miss out on any important steps to just copy and paste my trading strategy. Let's dive right into the value. One of the first things that you need as a successful day trader, and I've listed all the tools down in the description of this video, and we can go there now, where I've listed everything step by step, like a mechanic that needs to go and fix cars, carrying around his toolbox with his shifting and his spanners and a hammer, whatever else he needs. As a trader, these are some of the basic essential tools that you would need to be a successful full-time day trader. As you can see, this is a tool that I use to analyze the charts, to define resistances, supports, trend lines, and as you can see here, when I start switching on my drawings, it looks like a little Picasso chart over here. This is where you analyze the charts to see where you are going to enter the market, where are you going to take profits, where is your risk management. Go down into the description right now. You'll see at the bottom of the video, when you click on more, it brings up a nice little description where I've laid out the steps step by step. Step 1, you need TradingView to analyze the markets. Go down in the description right now, click on this link to go and sign up to TradingView. Once you've selected the link, you'll get to a page like this, and it's very simple to sign up. You'll see a little button here called sign up, and here are the plans available from a monthly perspective: $12 per month, $24 a month, and $49 a month. For you to start out, they do have a free version. What I don't like about the free version is it is very limited in terms of what coins you can open at the same time, the lists that you can create for your favorite altcoins. Some indicators are not available, so I strongly recommend that you go and at least take the essential plan, which in my mind is way more than good enough to be a successful day trader. You can sign up here using your Google account, where we'll ask you for a password to sign in, and then once you signed up, you've selected your plan and you've gone through the payment process, then you will be able to see the charts as I've just shown you. Going back here onto the chart, some of the basics about TradingView is you'll see the tools here on the side, the time frames of which you like to trade: 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 1 hour. All the indicators can be found over here. You can make lists of your favorite coins here to the right hand side, all the favorite coins that you are watching. You can create folders where you place all your trend lines and your daily levels and weekly levels in separate folders, keeping your charts nice and clean. Once you have signed up to TradingView, you can start playing around, draw some trend lines, get used to all the settings, play around, have some fun, and start analyzing the charts. Right, let's go into step 2. You need an exchange. What is an exchange? An exchange is a place or a platform where you deposit your cash and you can start trading the markets. I've also spoken to Bybit, one of my favorite exchanges. When you click on this link to sign up to this Bybit exchange, you will get 20% reduction in your fees when you place trades. So a nice little platform here to start learning how to trade the markets, and what a bonus to get a 20% discount on fees as well. Once you've selected the link, you will land here on a sign up page, and you can either sign in with one of your Google accounts where you'll have to verify yourself, and then you'll be good to go, where you can start depositing crypto or fiat meaning your currency in your preferred country, to start trading the markets. By using my link down in the description, you also qualify for up to $30,000 bonus depending on how much money you deposit and how much you trade. Let's get back into the steps. Once you've signed up, you need to go and deposit money into the exchange to start trading. The 5th step that you need is a trading strategy. From a trading perspective, there are many trading strategies out there. There are breakout strategies, there are patterns where they call bull flags, ascending triangles, descending triangles, expanding triangles, ending diagonals, and the list just goes on and on, from Fibonacci trading to volume strategy, harmonic patterns, and also one of my favorites, swing failure patterns. One of the most important things you as a trader would need to go and figure out is what trading strategy suits your personality. How much time do you have available per week to place trades? Can you sit in front of your computer for 8 hours a day and get in and out of the market, which they call scalping? Or do you want to be a swing trader that places 1 or 2 trades a week or per month and wait for those bigger price movements either to the up or to the downside? So from a trading strategy perspective, that is where a lot of hard work would need to go into. You would need to go and test out all the different trading strategies to find that one that suits your personality, also the time that you have available, and also your patient levels. Okay, I have found that a lot of people prefer scalping because they like to get in and out of the market a couple of times during the day because they simply do not have the patience to hold on to a trade for longer than a couple of days. There are also extremely complicated trading strategies out there, from Elliott wave theory to the simplest trading strategy where I simply use one line to track the momentum to the upside, playing the breakouts with exceptionally good risk management, knowing why I'm entering the trade and where to take profits. If you'd like to know more about my simplest trading strategy, where my goal for this community is to teach everyone how simple trading can be, if you apply good risk management, know why you're entering the trade, and know where to take profits. For the simplest trading strategy, go onto my YouTube channel. You will see there's a video called Easiest Trading Strategy that will get you started and on your way to be a successful day trader. Right, let's get back into the steps. Also, part of step 5 is you need to go and backtest your strategy. Going back here onto TradingView, you will see that there's a little replay button here on top. When I select that button, you can see that I can erase price action. And what I love about this tool is that once you start testing a trading strategy and you think that you know how the trading strategy works, a very good thing to do is to go and reverse the price action, okay? And you can then go down here and start replaying what happened in the past. And you can see when I zoom in here to the price action, you can go and select the play button, and it will start playing out the price action slowly but surely for you to go and execute your trades based on past history to see if you have more winning trades than losing trades and if you are well on your way to be a successful trader. Step 6, plan your trades. Risk to reward, why you're entering the trade, where you're putting your stop loss, and how you're taking profits. So in a nutshell, when you start getting familiar with TradingView over here, the one tool you need to make yourself extremely familiar with is a tool that I call, you will see here, 4th from the top. It's called a long position and a short position. So from the exchange that you've just signed up to, you can either play the market here to the upside or to the downside. So the most common entry is a long position, and you will see that it brings up a little tool that looks like this. This tool is extremely important, especially when you go and backtest your strategy. Is the top line tells me where am I going to take profit. The middle line is where I'm entering the trade, and the red box over here is my risk management. How much money am I risking, and where will I be stopped out if the trade goes against me? As a rule of thumb, I do not like to enter a trade as a minimum 2-to-1 risk to reward. And you will see if I start dragging this down right over there, I get a 2 risk to reward. It means that I am risking $100, for example, to make $200. And to me, this is already a little bit tight. But what I do like about this is if you apply this tool and you never go less than a 2 risk to reward ratio on any type of trade that you are planning. For example, you plan to take this trade over here. You've got your trend line. You want to take the trade. And let's just, for argument's sake, say you played the breakout over here. You wanted to take profits here by the highs. You entered the trade here at the breakout and you put your stop loss below the previous low over here. You can see that you have a 1.79 risk to reward ratio. What you could have also done is raise your stop loss a little bit to make the risk to reward worth it. You must just remember, the higher you raise your stop loss, the more you increase the probability of yourself being stopped out before the actual trade actually plays out. But nevertheless, let's just take this as an example over here. So let's say you entered the trade, you placed your stop loss below these lows over here. You can see those tiny lows over there. You now have a risk to reward of 5.62, a phenomenal trade. You want to see why you are entering the trade. You want to know how much you are risking. This is the most important aspect of a trader to be successful in the coming weeks, months, and years, is that how much money are you risking versus how much money are you going to make. If you stick to at least a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, you will see that even when you lose 7 trades, which is 7%, okay, because you're only risking 1% on each trade. If you lose 7 trades, it means you've lost 7%. But if you've won 3 trades, which gives you 2% per trade, it means that you've only lost 1% of your capital. Okay, so risk 2-to-1 is extremely important. Make sure that you never lose more than 1% of your capital from a stop loss perspective, and the risk to reward is never less than 2-to-1. The more, the better. Right, let's get back into the steps. Step number 7 over here, track your progress. There are many free tools on the internet that you can use as a trader to track your trading progress. It can even be as simple as keeping a little notebook or an Excel spreadsheet on your computer where you write down the date of the trade, why you entered the trade, how much you entered into the trade, which coin did you play when you entered the trade, and the type of emotions that you felt when you were entering the trade. Were you depressed during the day? Were you happy? Were you overexcited? Did you win a couple of trades, which meant you perhaps opened up a larger position, or you opened up a smaller position? If you've lost the trade, why did you lose the trade? What are the lessons that you've learned? And what are the lessons that you've learned when you win trades? It is very important to track your progress, and when you go and reflect back, you will often find patterns of things that you are doing wrong and that you can improve on as a day trader. So very important, track your progress. What I found the most important thing of all to become a successful day trader is to surround yourself with like-minded people. People that speak the same language, people that ask the same questions, people that have the same struggles, people that have the same emotional struggles from a risk management perspective, not sure why they're entering the trade. What made me successful as a day trader was by surrounding myself with people that take trading as seriously as I do. Our Legends community is the best community where you can get started to surround yourself with people that take trading as seriously as you do. Go down in the description right now, join our Legends community where we also offer 25% discount at the moment. Let me give you a sneak peek of our Legends community. You will see we have Andy over there and myself providing daily video updates and analysis of what we see in the markets, important levels to watch, and what are the next trading setups that we all potentially are going to take together. Here you'll see we have a Legends chats where everyone just chat to each other and help each other out. An altcoin section where myself post some daily analysis of levels and breakouts that I'm currently watching. Beautiful trades playing out, profit 1, profit 2. And then also we have the serious Bitcoin analysis section where I post my YouTube updates. I do video updates and analysis, as you can see over here.
Good morning, Legends. What a weekend.
Right. And also where people share their money shots of the successful trades that they've taken. And also they're losing trades where they apply exceptionally good risk management. As you can see, great risk management, and then the winning trades are absolutely phenomenal. 243%, 70%, right, 88%, 288%, 438%. So the Legends are absolutely killing it. If you'd like to be part of this community, as I've said, link down in the description. Join our Legends community, 25% discount. Lastly, step number 9. Protect your crypto. Once you've made all the nice profits here to the upside or to the downside, you do not want anyone to stick their fingers in your cookie jar. So go use our NordVPN exclusive offer. You get 64% discount and 3 months extra. Use a VPN to protect yourself from hackers and make sure that your crypto stays safe. Now you know the basic steps and tools needed to get started as a successful day trader. For more detailed information on the simplest trading strategy, please go and check out this video for free right now. Until the next one, cheers for now.